Hey everyone! Welcome back to Shine and Silk Beauty. If you or someone you love struggles with snoring, then today's video is going to be a game changer. We're talking about a small but powerful tool called Aerflow that's designed to help you sleep peacefully without the constant snore interruptions. Stick around because I'll explain exactly how it works and why it could be the solution you've been looking for. Snoring isn't just annoying, it can ruin your sleep quality, disturb your partner, and even affect your overall health. Millions of people deal with it every night, and most think there's no easy fix. But that's where Aerflow steps in. So, what is Aerflow? It's a lightweight, comfortable clip that fits gently in your nose. Unlike complicated machines or expensive treatments, Aerflow is natural, non-invasive, and super simple to use. You just wear it while sleeping, and let it do the work. Here's the interesting part, Aerflow works by putting pressure on a specific spot in your nose. This triggers a natural reflex in your body, causing gentle tension in the soft palate and uvula while you sleep. That little reflex keeps your airway open, reduces vibration, and helps prevent snoring. With Aerflow, you're not just stopping the noise, you're improving your breathing and giving your body the oxygen it needs for a deeper, healthier sleep. Plus, it's reusable, hygienic, and easy to clean. Sleep peacefully without disturbing your partner. Wake up feeling refreshed. Small and travel-friendly. Affordable compared to other snoring solutions. Imagine going to bed without worrying about waking up your partner or yourself with loud snoring. Aerflow is designed to give you that confidence and comfort. If you're ready to say goodbye to sleepless nights and constant snoring, check out Aerflow using the special link in the description below. Don't wait, your health and sleep are too important to ignore. Thanks for watching Shine and Silk Beauty. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more life-changing tips, and share this with anyone who might be struggling with snoring. Sweet dreams, and I'll see you in the next video.